if you can get that energy moving, this is basically yoga at your desk. If you can get that chi, that prana flowing through your body, you're going to feel better. Hey, namaste, goddesses. I made this for the goddesses that are already subscribers to my channel because I thought, what do they need? And a lot of times at work, we get really stressed, we're under pressure, and we're sitting for hours every day. This is scientifically proven not to be good for you. So I came up with some very, very simple movements you can do sitting down in your chair. I'm in my home office, but you can do them in a desk chair. Ideally, the chair should not be a movable chair though. That's the one thing, because you don't want to roll away. Gonna get all of the chakras moving, the energy flowing. The subtle energy is what underlies everything. It's what underlies the muscular movement. It's what underlies the energy and the organs working, okay? And in Western terms, that would be increased blood circulation and less muscle stiffness, okay? Because you're moving, you're stretching and extending and releasing. All of that increases the circulation through your body, especially through areas that are locking up like the shoulders. Okay, so again, these are very simple, but let me know in the comments how you feel after you do them for the first time. Stay blessed, and enjoy. First movement we will be doing just a rocking movement, spinal rock. It is a wonderful feeling. It gets the whole spine activated from the tailbone all the way up through the neck and all the way from the bottom chakra all the way to the top, to Sahasrara. Very, very powerful movement. So your inhale, arching the back, exhale, round the back. Inhale, arch the back, creating like a U shape. Exhale, round, push the shoulders forward and push the back out towards the back of the body, kind of scrunching in. Try to keep your head level as much as you can. Some shoulder shrugs. So we're lifting the shoulders up to the ears and then drop them. When you drop them all the way down and drop them suddenly. Then just stretch your arms forward and quickly shake the hands from inside to outside. So your fingers are just flicking in towards each other and then out. Here I'm taking my right hand to the outside of my left knee and I'm twisting around. With that left hand, if you could grab the back of your chair, if it has one of those like central core to make the back support, grab onto that and nice twist as you exhale. Breathe and hold the twist, looking over that shoulder without any strain on the neck. Nice and easy. Tall spine, look forward and release. And when you're ready, go to the other side. So take the left arm and take that palm to the outside of the right knee. Inhale and exhale. Twist the spine, taking that right shoulder back. Keep the spine nice and tall. Think of it as a spiral staircase, and you want to elongate the staircase and then twist and rotate around. Look over that shoulder, or you could even look forward if that bothers your neck, but still keep the twist in the spine. You're breathing as you hold, as always in any yoga practice. And then release all the way. Shake it out. We go right into spinal rocking, just once or twice to release. Go ahead and interlace your fingers, palms up. Deep breath in and exhale. Here we're just going to the left side first, and you want to feel a pulling all down the right side of the body. This is the gallbladder meridian. This meridian, along with the liver energy meridian, has a lot to do with energy flow throughout the whole body. Blood circulation and energy flow. You're inhaling and going right to the other side. You don't have to go very far as long as you feel a stretch. I'm showing here also, don't bring your hands in front of your head. See if you can bring the hands and the arms closer in line to the ear, so you're getting a nice stretch through your shoulders as you're breathing and holding. Just feel that pulling, that lengthening. Inhale up. Release on an out breath. Shrug the shoulders, shake it out. Go ahead and drop the head to one side. Roll forward, chin to chest, and to the other side. So just going from side to front to other side. We're not going to the back, so we're just doing a half circle here. Ear to shoulder, forward, other side. And then from the center, just lift the head back up straight. And a few times turn your head all the way to the right and all the way to the left. Exhale when you twist. Now just pausing, breathing. Notice how you feel. Can you feel any subtle energy flow? Deeply relaxed, aware, alert, and energized. Have a beautiful day. And now that you've reached the end of the video, go ahead and bookmark, even if you can't use it now. I have 2 videos currently, and there'll be more added on yoga for the chakras. And that is a full out yoga session. Some related videos like that will pop up here or here. Thanks, bye.